sums based on expectation of x and variance of x. Read the question. 3 coins are tossed. X denote the number of heads. Find the probability distribution. Second one, find the mean of x or the expected value of x. Probability distribution means value of x along with its probabilities. So first we have to find out value of x. Here 3 coins are tossed and x denote the number of heads. So x can take 0 value, 1, 2, 3. These 4 values x can take. Okay, the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3. When 3 coins are tossed, x is number of heads. So there can be no head or 1 head or 2 head or all the 3 coins will show the head. These are the 4 possibilities. Now we have to find the probabilities when x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Then only our first question will be completed. When 3 coins are tossed, these are the possibilities. These are the elements of sample space. All the 3 will show head. First will show head, second will show tail, third will show head. Like this, 8 elements are there in this sample space. X equal to 0 means number of heads 0. That is all are tails. That is number of element of this event is only 1. X equal to 1 means only 1 head. 3 elements are like that. So number of E is equal to 3. When x equal to 1, number of E is equal to 3. When x equal to 2, number of heads equal to 2. 2 head, 2 head, 2 head. So out of these 8, 3 are there. Number of E is equal to 3. Number of elements are 3 when x equal to 2. X equal to 3 means all are heads. All the 3 coin will show head. Then number of events is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the probabilities of x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Probability formula is probability of E formula is number of E upon number of S. When x equal to 0, where number of S is equal to total elements of sample space, that is 8. Number of S is equal to 8. Number of S is equal to 8. Now when x equal to 0, probability of E is, when x equal to 0, probability of E is number of E upon number of S, that is 1 upon 8. When x equal to 1, probability of E is number of E upon number of S, number of E is 3. 3 upon 8. When x equal to 1, x equal to 2, number of E is 3. 3 upon number of S is equal to 8. When x equal to 3, number of E is equal to, here 1, no? Only one outcome. Here 1. Number of E is equal to 1. Only one outcome. H. Only one outcome. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here also 1. Only one outcome. So when x equal to 3, number of heads equal to 3, only one outcome is there. only one outcome is there. So number of E is equal to 1. So x equal to 3 means number of E upon number of S, 1 upon 8. So this value of x along with the probability is called probability distribution. Let us write it systematically. Probability distribution of x values, p of x values, p of x values. Once you got the probability distribution, just you verify by adding p of x. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 upon 8 equal to 1. Whether you are getting sigma p of x equal to 1, you just verify. Now our second step is finding expected value of x. Expected value of x formula is summation of x into p of x, multiplying x into p of x. So creating an extra column of x into p of x into p of x, 0 into 1 upon 8, 0, 1 into 3 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 2 into 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 3 into 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8. Okay, we completed the column of x into p of x. Expectation of x means summation of all these x into p of x. That is 12 upon 8, 3 upon 2, that is 1.5. That is expectation of x or mean of x is equal to 1.5.